everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the unknown shift lock glitch on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Roblox on phone and make sure you are logged into your account and go into any games. Once you are in, tap the three dot at the bottom right corner to open the menu, then tap on settings. Scroll down in settings till you see shift lock switch. Make sure it's on. This is the main features that lets you control your character with shift lock. Next, check your camera mode. It should be set to classic. If it's on another mode like follow, shift lock might not work properly. After you have done that, close the game completely and reopen it. Sometimes glitches stick only till you restart Roblox. Now go back into the game, tap shift lock icon that appears on the screen and try moving your character. You should be able to rotate the camera and work smoothly. And that's it. That's how you can fix shift lock glitch on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.